This is ANN News Brief.
Good morning. I'm Lucy Adeyemi. Medical charity Doctors Without Borders says one of its health workers has been killed by an armed group in Central African Republic. The organization says assistant nurse Colbert Mukafe was killed on Thursday between Batagafo and Boka while traveling by motorcycle to visit family. The medical charity says there needs to be a check on the activities of armed groups in the country to ensure civilians and its more than 200 international, more than 2,000 local health workers working in the country are protected. The nation that has seen deadly communal violence since 2013, but the government and 14 rebel groups signed a fragile peace agreement in February that many had hoped would usher in an era of peace in the country. The Tanzania Ministry of Health has cautioned citizens on the existence of dengue fever in the country. The ministry says there are more than 200 diagnosed patients in Dar es Salaam region. Speaking with the Deputy Health Minister, Dr. Faustin Ndugulile, told the Citizen newspaper early this week that Dar es Salaam and Tanga regions have been found to have the disease. He said there are no reports of death yet from the disease. The Deputy Minister says health service providers should test patients for the disease. He said those who are positive should be given proper treatment. He said the country not only has malaria fever, but also uchi, typhoid and dengue fevers that are caused by viruses in Tanzania. Dr. Ndugulile also said the ministry is now strengthening tracking systems to have correct statistics in both public and private hospitals. He called upon residents of the regions to take precautions, including covering pools of water with soil and protecting against mosquito bites. We'll be back after this message.
This used to be me. But that was before I got the perfect bag. It's handy and easy to use. All I need in one compact space, just like my MTN Extra Value plan. I used to get one plan for my calls and then try to remember which data plan worked for me. Roaming was a totally different ballgame. Not anymore. I've got the MTN Extra Value all-in-one plan. If you're a data buff like me, you get extra data with some talk time. And if you like to make calls, you get extra talk time with some data. And when I'm abroad, I automatically browse, chat, and call right on the same plan. MTN Extra Value was made just for me.
More of data or calls, whichever one you prefer. MTN Extra Value is made just for you.
The Kenyan Airport Authority, KAA, has rejected a proposal by national carrier Kenyan Airways to take over operations of the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport for 30 years. Kenyan Airport Authority has told the National Assembly's Transport, Public Works and Housing Committee on Wednesday that Kenyan Airways does not have the financial and technical capacity to run the airport. KAA Chief Executive Officer Johnny Anderson and Chairman Isaac Awundo told the committee they questioned the airline's financial strength to take over the airport. The two told the lawmakers there was need to look for an alternative to help the airline reverse its dwindling fortunes. They informed MPs that Kenyan Airways owes the authority 5.5 billion shillings or $54.5 million as at the end of March. They said although they had tried forcefully to recover the debt, Kenyan Airways has been unable to pay. Kenyan Airport Authority General Manager for Finance, Alec Gitari, said if Kenyan Airways had been another airline, it would have been grounded. Gitari also told the committee that the airline had failed to honor its obligations despite numerous agreements. That's ANN News Brief. Thanks for watching. For details on these and other stories, visit our website, annafrica.net. Also join the conversation on Facebook, facebook.com/ANN Africa TV, Instagram and Twitter at ANN Africa TV. I'm Lucy Adeyemi.